Oh hey, I didn't see you there. I'm Ken, Chief Strategy Officer, also Chief Gym Officer.
First tip, actually leveraging the traffic that you are already acquiring. You have users that are hitting your website every day, but all you're asking them to do is to schedule a consultation. You should have some transitional call to action that asks a user to do something other than the full commitment of scheduling a consultation. Tip number 2, attribution. A lot of marketing efforts fail because they do not correctly attribute the leads that they are driving from their efforts. Do you know how many patients you acquired directly from that ad campaign you're running? Do you know how many patients you acquired from referral versus organic? Content is king. Yes, we produce articles that are rich in expertise, authority, and trustworthiness. But that's only one aspect. What about users on social media? What about users on YouTube? That requires a look into how users are searching on YouTube. Therefore, your content may require a leveraging of that content in a way that makes sense to the user searching on YouTube versus the user searching on Google. If you found these tips helpful, follow us for more exciting